So I literally had to, sorry about the bonnet, I really don't even care right now, but I had to stop what I was doing. I'm trying to prepare for a show tomorrow, and this wasn't even going to be the video for today, but I switched out my scheduled video for this one. I had to do this unboxing because there is an amazing, amazing woman that most of us know, that we all should know, and that I have started, as probably most of you have, developed a very personal and sweet and loving relationship with this person that I even started calling her my second mama. And we have been in the works of something. I'm not going to reveal that to you guys, but she did send me a few things and a very beautiful note that had me to the brink of tears. And I'm just so grateful for you, Mama Renee. And we all know her from Soaps for Love. But she sent me a beautiful package, and she even sent me, I'm sorry, I just like ripped apart the package. It was packaged beautifully, but she sent me this for myself. This, first of all, it smells amazing. It's a brick hard. So what do you put in your soap? But, and this lovely soap dish. This is amazing. And this one, I don't even want to open it. Like, that's how cherished I feel right now. But it's the Arc and the Rainbow soap, and this is amazing. It smells amazing. It's packaged perfectly. Nothing broke, so I'm grateful about that. And then Be Still My Heart, she left a gift for my mom, and my mom says thank you. She says it smells wonderful. It's packaged beautifully, and she loves the soap dish. Mama Renee, she said thank you so much, and she really, really, really does appreciate it. I woke her up from out of her sleep to give her this. I just received my package today, and this is really beautiful. I mean, look at the detail. I hope you guys can see that. My light is kind of blocking it, but this is a rose on top of this with some it looks like green, like glitter or mica. And this is a coconut bar. Oh my gosh, it smells great. And then we have some lovely herbs that I'm not sharing with anybody. These are mine, given to me by my mama Renee. You're jealous, I know. And then we have this in this mystery bag, and I haven't opened it yet. You, my dear Mama Renee, packaged this to the heavens because I could not even get the first bag open. It was like a bag within a bag, and then this was in the bag with the soap and stuff. So she packaged it beautifully. It's an herb grinder. And then I have some salve. Let me see. This is so amazing. I cannot thank you enough. Let me see. Oh, this smells like green tea. Is it green tea leaves in here? No, but it's rosemary and a whole bunch of great things. This smells like green tea, and I'm going to rub it everywhere that I need it. And then we have some tincture. And I know you guys are jealous because we saw her make this on YouTube the other day. And I cannot wait to try this. And Mama Renee, please let me know. Do I need to take... Oh, here it goes right here. A dropper per day, and I will. I'm going to start that first thing Saturday morning. Okay, thank you for this, and I will let you know how it goes. But you, my dear, are a wonderful, beautiful soul, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of these neat gifts, for being such a dear, genuine person. Your friendship means the world to me. You don't even understand. And I love you so much. And I just thank you. You're so special, and I cannot wait for the day that I'm actually able to truly really give you hugs in person. So thank you. God bless you. She's just amazing, you guys. You are amazing. Thank you so much. Until next time, guys, be well and stay blessed. Yes, guys, I almost forgot. I got these little rubber duckies. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Thank you again, Mama Renee.